Hi everyone, on this week's episode we're playing with balls. Paintballs. So casting paintballs in resin is one of the most requested projects on my channel, and today I finally got a hold of some. Now I think the reason that this is a popular request is that it's going to be really interesting to watch these on PotCam to see if they melt or explode. Now if they do, that's going to be great for two reasons. One, it's going to give us an awesome PotCam, and two, it'll give me a cool blank to make something with. So my casting container this week isn't my usual large one, it's this medium sized one. Now the reason for this is if something goes wrong, I'll be able to take this blank out and recast it in the larger container. I think I need a few more. So I guess our main goal for this is to generate enough heat to cause some destruction. Now in order to do that, I'm going to have to mix up way more than what the manufacturer recommends. So I'll be doing 800 mils, and hopefully that's enough to fill this up and cause it to melt. Now before I go popping this in the pressure pot, I want you to pause this video and let me know your predictions. What do you think's going to happen? While they're in the pot curing, I want to show you what I've been working on for my store. Now you guys know that I already make my dragon eggs and dragon books, but I've started making something new. I've been making these keychains and pendants. These look amazing. I call them the magic portals. It's like you're looking into another world. And on the back, I've even engraved my logo. Here's one that I made for Nicole's keys using her favourite colours, pink and purple. Now if anyone wants to check these out and help support my channel, I'll leave a link to my Etsy store in the description. Now let's get back to the build. Well, I guess that wasn't the outcome we were hoping for. I did see a couple explode on the side here, and a few have leaked on top, but apart from that, they all seem pretty whole. So I guess now I need to think of what I can make, and I guess the most obvious answer is to try and make a lamp. Now I'm not too sure how well it's going to work, because I don't know how much light would travel through these balls. So I think what I might have to do is drill a hole all the way through the centre, that way I can put LEDs all the way down. Now there's only one problem with that, is that once I start drilling into these balls, it's going to get messy. Wow, that does look really cool though. Now there's a very good chance that once I start drilling, it's going to get wet and messy. So I'm going to have to cover my bed with a towel. Looks like I'm making a snow cone. Well, that was definitely messy, but I've had worse. So now that the hole's all drilled, the next thing I need to do is part it off and recast it. Well, it definitely got wet that time. I've made a huge mess. So I've decided to change my mind. Instead of putting this into a larger container and re-pouring some resin, I'm just going to leave it the way it is. I've been playing around with some LED lights and it actually looks quite good. Now I've decided I'm going to put one in the bottom and one in the top. Now in order for me to do that, I need to pour a couple of blanks. Now that I've got myself a couple of good looking blanks, I can take these out, turn them down on the lathe and add some LED lights. Before I install the LED lights, I want to show you how good these blanks look. Seeing this is making me want some candy. I think this must be the messiest project I've ever done, and I've turned a giant gobstopper. Now if you've made it this far into the video, I'm guessing you really like it, and you can let me know by hitting the like button. And speaking of likes, if you guys can get this video to 5,000 likes, I'm going to pick 5 comments at random and send you all one of my dragon eggs. Now let's check it out.